Chronic pain is a struggle that millions face. It can hit anyone at any age. Many find themselves in a relentless search for relief, often coming up empty-handed or caught in the drawbacks of conventional pain medications. Today, we're exploring CBD oil, an option that's catching people's attention for how it helps with pain management. Could it be the missing piece in your pain management strategy? First things first, does CBD oil do anything for pain? Actually, this is a hot topic. CBD is a cannabinoid extracted from the cannabis plant. While it doesn't have the mind-altering effects of THC, CBD does have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. So, what types of chronic pain could potentially be managed by CBD oil? The scope is broad and includes neuropathic pain often caused by diabetes or chemotherapy, muscle pain stemming from inflammation in the muscle tissue, osteoarthritis affecting the joints, and various forms of back pain. Different pains have different root causes, and CBD oil has shown promise in addressing a variety of them. It's essential to understand how CBD oil works and what kind of effect it can have on pain. First of all, one of the theories is that CBD interacts with your nervous and immune systems. This interaction may be linked to anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects that aid in pain management. This is particularly useful for chronic conditions that require ongoing management. To give you a simpler way to understand how CBD oil could impact pain, imagine your body as a bustling city with various communication lines. These are your receptors. CBD acts like a skilled negotiator, effectively communicating with two primary kinds of receptors in your body's endocannabinoid system, the CB1 and CB2 receptors. CB1 receptors, mainly in the brain, are like the party coordinators who manage mood and pain, ensuring things don't go too far. CB2 receptors, primarily in immune cells, act like the neighborhood watch, focusing on keeping inflammation in check. When CBD comes into play, it talks to both types of receptors, calming down rebellious neurons that cause pain and telling immune cells to chill out, reducing inflammation. And this isn't just a quick fix or a band-aid. By communicating with these receptors, CBD lays down a long-term plan for peace. Think of chronic pain conditions as ongoing riots or strikes in the city. CBD's interaction with CB1 and CB2 receptors offers a strategy for some relief. It's like a peace accord between them that helps with the pain and inflammation over time. Traditional pain management strategies often include NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or opioids, which can be problematic due to side effects and addiction risks. For example, NSAIDs can lead to stomach or kidney issues, while opioids can result in drowsiness, constipation, and have a high potential for dependency. CBD oil offers a potential alternative that is generally well tolerated if taken in recommended dosages and under the scrutiny of medical professionals. While CBD oil may not completely replace traditional medications, it can be an additional pain management agent. So let's say you're considering taking the plunge and trying CBD oil for pain management. That's a big step, and it's crucial to know how to pick the right CBD product for you. Think of it like choosing the perfect car. You wouldn't just pick any vehicle off the lot. You'd want to know its history, check its safety features, and ensure it's reliable. Firstly, opt for products manufactured in the US with domestically grown ingredients. This isn't about patriotism, it's about quality control. US standards for agriculture and manufacturing are strict, similar to making a car in the factory following all safety protocols. Next, prioritize companies that adhere to quality certifications such as CGMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, which are standards set either by the FDA or required by the state where the product is made. Think of it as akin to choosing a car that's passed all safety tests. A CGMP-certified CBD product offers you a similar level of assurance. Additionally, look for organic certifications from credible governing bodies like those from the EU, Australia, or Canada to ensure the highest quality. Lastly, but crucially, check that the company conducts independent lab testing and provides certificates of analysis for each batch. This is the equivalent of knowing that your car comes with an accident history report and has been rigorously tested for safety. It ensures that the product has THC levels below 0.3% and no harmful substances like pesticides or heavy metals. Before considering CBD oil as part of your pain management strategy, don't forget to consult with healthcare professionals. Despite its growing popularity and potential benefits, CBD oil is not without risks. Now that we've covered the how-tos of picking the right CBD product for your pain management, let's talk about some specific options you could consider. The first one is Aspen Green's Relief Full Spectrum CBD Oil. It's made from USDA-certified organic hemp from Colorado farms and extracted using a supercritical CO2 method. It's strong with 4,000 milligrams of CBD per bottle and a trace of 75 milligrams THC. A bottle can set you back $99.99, but you get what you pay for: high quality and physician-formulated relief. For those looking for more variety in CBD strength, consider Batch Original. Sourced from Wisconsin, this full-spectrum CBD oil uses an ethanol extraction method. It comes in 4 different strengths, from 500 milligrams to 3,000 milligrams, and the price starts at $44.99. It's a customizable, well-rounded option. If you're looking for something with 0 THC but still want a quality product, consider Joy Organics Summer Lemon. Grown in multiple states like Kentucky, Oregon, and Colorado, this broad-spectrum CBD oil offers a refreshing lemon flavor and comes in strengths of 900 milligrams and 1,350 milligrams. Prices start at $69.95. If you're interested in purchasing products that could help you with pain management, visit our website and choose CBD oil that is best for you. If this information was helpful to you, please give the video a like. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications on future videos and subscribe to Healthnews channel so you won't miss out on any of our health-related content. We're here to help you make informed decisions for a better pain-free life.